Today I have a treat of a project, making something that requires really sharp tools. I have acquired some amazing ebony wood. Now, my local wood pusher helped me get hold of this 1.5 meter long plank of ebony, which I took the liberty of sawing a small piece out of, which took quite a while because, some of you know, I still only have hand tools, so that was the good old saw. I find especially ebony wood amazing because it is just this amazing dark black color. Well, it's more brown, as you can see when we are cutting it now. It's more brown than black, but when we put oil on it and when we let it oxidize, it becomes this intense black color, and it just really gives an amazing contrast. As a chemist by training, I am always fascinated by nature and fascinated with the fact that, well, nature makes better chemists than we do ourselves. All the time, we work in our labs trying to create something that can be as beautiful as what is in nature. And nature has, over millions of years, made amazing systems that does this process almost effortlessly. Now, it is not effortlessly because it's taken millions of years to achieve it, but us humans want it now, as is ever the issue. The ebony wood grows slow. The ebony tree grows really slow. It grows down deep in Africa. But because it grows so slow, it's very dense, it's very hard, and it's very heavy. But even though it is heavy and is strong, it still chatters. That's why I put my support on it in the middle. Now, this whole project is just me having a lot of fun, as is all my projects. And I wanted to make this wand because I have, as I've said multiple times, a market in May, and I wanted to see what the max capacity of my lathe is. So my support is hanging on only halfway, as you might be able to see in some of the pictures. But I wanted to try to make max length and do some different fun things like a captured ring, just to have this nice eye-catching piece at the market that people can see. Well, I can turn this length and I can make stuff like this. I am working on um, one or two different videos, but they're taking quite a while to make. I would actually like to know if it's something you or someone you know would be interesting in hearing about. I'm working on a video about why wood has the color it has. So different species like ebony, which is the only real black wood we have. There is Wenji, but Wenji is not real black. So that is more clearly brown. Ebony is black. When you see the oil on it, it's black. But I want to make a video of why is it black, why is another wood red, purple, all these things. And if that's something you would like to see, then well, I'll happily make it. Well, I'm planning on making it anyway because I want to study it a little. The other video I'm working on is how to oxidize wood. Because as a chemist, I love oxidation. I trained in oxidation at university, and I would like to try and do different types of oxidations. Different types of oxidations that we can use on our wood to make the colors pop more. because different chemical compounds in the wood is the reason why it has the different colors. So anyway, I would like to hear your feedback on these thoughts. I hope you enjoyed and have an amazing day.